Welcome to part 2 of Leon's SCHED module. In this video, we will focus on how to edit your scheduled flights and transfer them to the OPS module. To see your scheduled flights, select the date range on which they occur. All of the flights which are not published will be visible with the blue color. You can select the specific flight by clicking on it, which marks it. You can also use the Select button to pick multiple flights. Also at the bottom part, you have the possibility to select flights. In this case, you can select dates from which the flight should be visible, select the days of the week, select if the flight is already published or not, define the aircraft registration, flight number, aircraft identification number, and airport of departure and destination. In this case, you can search for by adding the flight number, then you can select the flights to change them. After selecting the flights, you have two possibilities. First of all, you can modify the flights after clicking on Modify Flights button. In the Flight tab, you will have the possibility to change the shift, reassign the aircraft, define new airports, add some alternative airports, set the distance, mark if the flight is ferry or no, define the code-share flight number, block time, and change the flight number. After you make the modification, just click on the Save button. After selecting the flights, you can also publish them to the OPS module of Leon. So, in this case, when the flights are selected, you will have the Publish button on the upper part of the screen, which will be highlighted in blue. Here you will see all the flights that you have selected. From here, you can assign the client. You can define the trip type. You can define if the flight should be as an option or not, and if the flight should be treated as commercial or non-commercial. After that, you can click on the Publish button to forward the flights to the OPS module. At first, the flights will be highlighted in dim green, but when they will be bright green, that means the publication process has been completed. When the flight is published, when you click on it, you will be able to see Show in OPS button in the bottom part of the screen. With this option, you can quickly transfer the view to the OPS module of Leon to handle the flights. Also from the OPS part, you will be able to see Show in SCHED button, so you can quickly transfer the view into the SCHED module of Leon. After the flight has been published, you can also modify them. So after selecting the flight with your mouse or select Flights option, you can click on Modify the Flights. Now the Trip button will be available for you, in which you can reassign the client, change the trip type. You can change if the flight should be an option or not, and you can also change the commercial flag. After selecting, you can also delete the flights. This will remove the flights from SCHED and OPS module of Leon.